How to add space on your Roblox display name. So first thing you want to do is to pull up your web browser and then search for roblox.com. Log into your account. Upon logging in, you need to find the gear icon which is located at the upper right hand of your screen. Click on it and then click settings. Now once you're in settings, you'll be able to see your account information such as your display name, username, and email address. Now, to do this method, all you just have to do is to change your current location. Let's try, let's see. So you have to set the location, refresh the page, and then let's try change your display name. Click save, and then refresh again. So that is how you can add space on your Roblox display name.